What up, YouTube fam? I've said this before, but the beauty of Wynwood is that every once in a while you come across a little unicorn. What's going on, girl?
Hey.
This is Sarita. Sarita, there's her Instagram right there. Y'all can follow her. Check it out. Right there. There we go.
Go follow.
All right. She came out to hang out with me today. We're going to go on a little ride, yeah? Let's do it. So, Sarita, we just saw a bunch of pictures of your bike and video of your bike. Tell us about it. Tell me about it. What is it? What are you riding today?
So, I'm riding a Honda Rebel. It's a beautiful red color, which is my favorite color.
All right.
And it was my starter bike. And I recently got a CBR, so I'm switching over to that side.
You're
a little bit.
You're going to the dark side. You're going to the dark side.
Not completely. I'll still ride my cruisers.
All right. So what's driving you toward the sport bike side more than the cruiser side?
They're just a little more fun.
They're a little more fun?
Yeah.
So is it the bike or is it the people? Do you want to do track days, or are you in love with a sport biker? What's going on here?
Honestly, I just love their look.
Okay.
I like cruisers if I'm doing long distance though. So if I'm if I'm riding out the Keys or Okeechobee or further north, then yeah.
Nice. Okay. How often do you do stuff like that?
Honestly, I'm the type of person that if you're like, hey, let's go for a ride, are you free? I'm like, okay, let's do it. So it can be like once a month to like every day. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I did a video of the 10 types of biker chicks that are out there that you'll encounter.
Yeah, I watched that video. I'm definitely a Lauren.
You're a Lauren? Okay.
Yeah.
You're the Lauren. I was gonna say you just described the hell yeah girl, so.
Yeah, no, like I'm also like a hell yeah girl, but it's also kind of just like if you want to do a short ride, long ride, is straight, all right.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on.
Doesn't matter. I just like being on the bike.
Yep. All right, so you're just down for any type of ride at any time. I love it. So how come, let me ask you this one, because this one kind of hits personally. Why did you get a CBR when I'm giving one away?
Because it was such a good deal, I had to do it.
I can't blame you for it.
Because you messaged me and I was like, ooh, that's perfect. But, yeah, I haven't been lucky with your giveaways.
I can't blame you for that. Well, you know, thankfully a lot of people enter these giveaways. Let's get over. But yeah, everybody, if you did not know, I am giving away my CBR600RR to one lucky Patreon member. So if you want to sign up, check out the instructions right here on the banner of the screen, or whatever I'm putting on the screen right now. Check those out.
Y'all should do it.
Yeah, you should. Sarita says you should do it, so you gotta go do it right now. Pause the video, go do it, then come back. So what got you into motorcycling? You were telling me your dad's always been riding, so you always rode with him and stuff?
Yeah, I was never a backpack.
Oh, you've been a backpack also?
Never.
Oh, you were never a backpack. Gotcha, okay.
I was never a backpack. I went straight to my own bike.
Straight to your own bike? Okay, that's the way to do it, I guess.
No, but no, my dad rides, my aunt rides, my brother rides. That's the whole family thing at this point.
Right, so it was just natural for you to take it up also?
No, I said I got my endorsement at the same time with my dad.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Which was, yeah, so it was a good bonding.
How often do you come down to Miami? Because you're right up in the 954, right?
Yeah, I ride out in Broward. But honestly, I just ride everywhere, so
okay, that's
wherever the wind takes me. I'll end up on A1A and then either go north or south. But I come down to Miami on purpose, like every other week.
On purpose? Why on purpose?
Because I'm in Broward more.
Because what?
But I'm just usually in Broward, so
Right, so what brings you down to Miami when you do come down?
beach. The beach brings me here.
Ah, okay, the beach. Did you hear that, Lauren? You need to come down to Miami a little more. Okay, with Sarita.
I need to ride with her.
Yeah.
I'm calling her out right now. I want to ride with her.
Lauren, we're calling you out. We are calling you out, Lauren. She's been very, very busy lately. You know how that goes.
I get busy too.
Yeah, we all do, I guess. I'm gonna have to get gas at some point.
I am too. I know you saw that I had a half tank. So.
I did. Let's do that now. Let's pull up right here and get some gas and talk a little more. All right, gas break. So let us look at this bike a little more. Look at that.
My baby.
That is a nice looking set of leggings. I mean, that's a nice looking bike.
They're Colombian. Bike's not Colombian though.
Hell no. Bike's Japanese.
Yep.
All right. Let's get some gas. We'll be right back. And we're back. All right, Sarita, what kind of people are you riding with? Are you riding with a group? Are you riding on your own? Is it just a family thing?
So I usually ride either alone. I'm not part of like a group or anything.
Okay.
But I also train jiu-jitsu. So I got a bunch of people from the gym to start riding.
Sorry, did you just say you train jiu-jitsu?
Yeah, jiu-jitsu and judo.
That is really cool. So you're getting a bunch of people from your gym to start riding?
Yeah, so now we have a whole group, so we'll go out to these, we'll go out anywhere.
Nice.
So it's a solid group.
Sarita out here making new riders.
I don't pressure people into it.
Yeah.
So.
That's awesome though, that's great. I am all about making more riders.
I'm all about like getting new riders and then trying to get more female riders out.
Nice. I'm all about the female riders, obviously, as you can see from my channel.
Yeah.
I want to have all the ladies on my channel.
You're going to have to feature my aunt next.
Your aunt? Send her down.
Yeah.
We'll put her up.
She has a CBR and she has a Ninja.
A Ninja. Nice.
Her name's Kendra. She goes by Hustle Queen. So go follow her.
All right,
She's
Hustle
awesome.
Queen. Hustle Queen, you got to come out, be on the channel. Unlike this guy who's not going to be on my channel because he's riding a tiny Ducati.
The street fighters don't look bad.
No, they don't, but, you know. He looks kind of... Did you ever see Adam Ant when you were little, that cartoon?
Yeah.
He kind of looks like that with the helmet. We are thirsty, so we're going to hit up the Starbucks, and then we'll see what happens. All right, Sarita, while we wait for these people to decide where they're going, are you single? You got a man? What's going on here?
Oh, that's a surprise.
Yeah, of course. I always ask that. Come on, you should know this.
Yeah. Nice. I'm just doing me.
You're single?
Something like that.
All right, we're going to talk to about that a little more when we come back from Starbucks.
All right.
To see what it takes to get a girl like Sarita. We'll be back.
Huh?
And we're back. Drinks have been had. Refreshments have been had. Bodies have cooled off. At least mine has. And there was an accident over there, so we're going to figure out how to get out of here. Whoa. This is something. What happened here?
I don't know. That's how many cops is this?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
2, 3,
5,
4, 5,
6. At least 6. And there's a guy in a tactical vest. Something's going on. I don't know. Let's go. Let's snoop. Nobody rear-ended the Mercedes. I don't know what the fuck happened.
That doesn't make sense.
Nope. All right, well.
No.
Oh, wait. Cop behind you. Yep, get over. All right.
Not today, Popo.
Nope. All right, Sarita. When we left, or when we got to Starbucks, you were telling us about how you're single, but it's complicated? What's going on here? I'm saying, I need to know. Do I need to let the boys to call you, hit you up on DMs, or like back off? What's going on?
They can do whatever they want. I may not respond.
All right, guys, there you have it. You can hit her up on the DMs. She may not respond. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm not looking for any hookups, that's for sure. But if people want to go for rides, I'm down.
If you want to ride with her, there you go. Hit her up. Lauren, she called you out too, so. All right, so let's
it'll be just a ride.
Exactly.
When I say ride, I mean motorcycle. I don't mean other rides.
right, so let's talk about this new CBR you got. Tell me about the CBR.
Yes.
What is it?
So it's a CBR600RR.
Nice.
It's a 2006.
Wait, a 600RR, just like the one I'm giving away?
Just like the one you're giving away.
Holy crap. Look at that.
Yeah. It's a 2006.
And, all right, so what are you going to do to it?
So I'm going to switch out the fairings, but I'm going to customize them myself because the bike world isn't as female-friendly or welcoming as I'd love it.
Okay, very cool.
So like right now it's like white and silver, and then it has like all the black stickers on it.
White,
but
silver,
I'm probably
yeah.
gonna do a base white with gold and red accents with like roses and stuff.
Very cool.
And then change out the clutch and the seats and all that fun stuff.
Very nice. Are you gonna add better suspension, better brakes to it, anything like that?
Definitely better brakes because the back brakes are not. They're just not. They're not good. Like,
They're not
I
there?
feel like they don't exist.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so I'm gonna switch things up, but like I want to do the cosmetic stuff first. Really?
Right.
Do they?
These people.
And then see what needs to be done.
Yep, I hear you. All right, so there you have it. Coming to a sport biker group near you, Sarita and her CBR600RR. You're gonna be tearing up the streets. Are you looking forward to doing track days, things like that?
I've never done a track day, but I'm down. I'm open to track days, but
Okay.
I like riding in the streets more.
Okay. You know you gotta customize your bike a bit to do track days with it, right?
Yes, I do. Probably just gonna stick with street riding.
So back to this Rebel. So this was your starter bike. Is it a good starter bike? Would you recommend it? What size engine does it have?
It has a 500 cc. I love it. It is a perfect starter bike. Like, it's lightweight, easy to move around.
Right. That was my question. How nimble is it? Very good, yeah? Very nimble?
So nimble. Yeah. And then it can also handle the highways. Like, you're going to be more comfortable in a cruiser like yours or like the Softails and all those. But I can usually keep up perfectly fine. Like, I've done rides out with like the Harley groups on this, and I've been perfectly fine.
You keep up, no problem?
No problem.
What's the faster you've gone on that bike?
So this thing tops out at 86, so not very fast.
Gotcha.
But when you're starting, you don't need to go faster than that.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, get comfortable with the lower speeds and then move from there.
Is it a 5 or a 6 gear?
It's 5.
5 gears?
Yeah.
Well, she looks like a good, nimble little cruiser, I gotta say.
She is. I love her.
Did you name her?
I'm attached.
Did you name her?
No, I didn't. It's just her.
Her. It's just
It's
a she. All bikes are female. That's a rule. It's just gotta be that way, right?
Except for the fat boy.
It's still a her.
Really?
This fat boy is aptly named Little Slut.
Funny. But no, if anyone's looking for a starter bike, and I'm short, I'm only 5'2".
Okay, good.
So,
that's good information there.
Shorter female riders get this bike. Like, you will not regret it.
Very good.
Because at first, like, I was dead set. I was like, oh, I'm gonna start riding the Sportster, or I'm gonna get a Ninja or a CBR, and I was like, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. And as soon as I sat down on this bike, I was just like, no, this is one. Like, this is the one. This is the one.
So you haven't been riding that long, though. How long have you been riding?
I've been riding this one a little bit over a year now.
Okay.
But in general, like, I've had my endorsement for 2 years.
Gotcha.
So I'm not a veteran of the bike community, but I'm not a newbie either.
Gotcha. So you've been riding for about a year. What advice would you give to any newbie females that are looking to get into this world?
Well, first of all, do it.
Wow. Just like that. Do it.
Just do it. But don't bite off more than you can chew either.
Okay.
So start off with a smaller bike. You can keep it for a few months and then switch out. Like, not the end of the world. But it's all about confidence. So confidence and skill level. So like, even if you've never ridden before, like, start off with a small, lightweight bike.
Right.
Get comfortable with it. Don't let anybody pressure you into doing something you're not comfortable with. And this is true for guys, too, because, like, it's easy to just be like, oh, but all my friends have been riding for years, and I want to ride with them. And it's like, okay, yeah, but, like, you can't ride with them until you're ready to ride with them.
Right.
Or if they're nice enough to, like, go at your level.
Got it. Yeah, just ride up to your abilities. Ride your own ride.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I would say that's great advice. Riding your own ride, like, especially when you start riding with a group, because when you're new and you first start riding with a group, what you want to do is you want to fit in, you want to, be considered part of the group or whatever, then
You get excited.
you get excited and you start riding wanting to keep up with the group. You got to ride your own ride, because if you ride beyond your abilities trying to keep up with a group of veteran riders, accidents can happen, especially when you're riding wheel to wheel like we do in the cruiser world.
Yeah.
Things can get dangerous.
Yeah, because people can spin out, they can brake suddenly, and if you're not ready, you're not. Like,
Exactly.
There's no need. There's no need. There's no rush. Because, like,
Yeah.
you don't want to get on a bike and then only be able to ride for a year because you end up in, like, a bad accident.
Exactly.
For something that, like, if you're, like, out of your skill level, like, make it a lifetime.
I like
Like,
that. Make it a
hobby
lifetime.
sport, yeah.
That's cool. You come down to Wynwood a lot?
I'll go out down here. I love dancing, so.
Oh yeah? So if we go out on a
Sure.
Friday or Saturday night, we might see Sarita shaking it around?
Something like that.
Alright. She can twerk it, boys. She can twerk it. Come on, people.
Where is he trying to go?
I don't know.
There's nowhere for him to go.
That's the thing. That's the thing about riding around in Wynwood. It's you got to put up with the drivers. If you want tacos, by the way, best tacos in Miami, right there.
Really? It is Taco Tuesday.
It is Taco Tuesday. You are right about that. So maybe we're gonna
But
go.
are they authentic tacos? Like, I'm Mexican, so I'm very picky on that.
You're Mexican. What?
Yeah, I'm not Mexican.
I do
I
not.
got all the recessive traits.
I do not see.
But no.
I do not see Mexican out of you. But okay. I guess you're in
That's why
Miami.
the leggings look okay.
You're in Miami. You got to be Hispanic to some degree, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. All right, Sarita. Thank you for coming to
All right.
hang out with us today. It was fun.
Thanks for having me.
That's it for the video, but we're gonna go get some tacos right now, and y'all don't get to watch that part. So that's it. Over here. Ride safe, y'all. Thank you.
Bye.
That's it. Ride safe.